Well, the porch work turned into a little bit of garden work today. I didn't do a deep dive on the north side here, just cut off all the dead stuff and pulled out a bunch of weeds, not all of them. Interesting on the Severius, the ones that died, quote unquote, are coming back with little green shoots. Once I get all that dead stuff off of them, you can see there's new starts there. So, some stuff will happen here, still not very glorious. The main thing is what I was intending to do today, and maybe I'll get to later. Up in here, you see this is all rotted out. That's into the 2x4. It's into the front 2x. It's into this 2x. It's into that 2x. So everything there has got some dry rot in it. Since I have to fix that, I decided to go ahead and rip this side off because I've got dry rot here, which is actually where I first noticed it. Of course, I also got it in the floor. I'm not going to mess with that now. And it goes back to here. Basically, the entire porch needs to be rebuilt, but I can't afford the materials. If I could, I'd just tear this whole thing down and start over, because the whole roof got all dry rotted out too. See up there, all my supports are all gone. I've got a solution for that. I got a solution for everything. It's just a matter of time, money, and energy, and work, and blah, blah, blah. So, there we go. And happy day to you.